How does he do that every try? Hey, can you explain what's going on right now?
I keep on having to redo the Nook bone, and he's...
Yeah, but why do you keep redoing it?
Back me up with the Nook apply,
Vlog,
which
vlog,
is going to be
vlog,
on
vlog.
this
That's
for
all I
like 2
hear.
hours. So I'm going to do an endless amount until we fucking land.
He's done about 9. I've tried, what, 3?
That was slamming, dude. Yeah.
First try. Hit it 1 clean. Fucking 0. Can't even clear it.
What an awful grip job.
Look at the fucking blade. What do you mean?
Give me the fucking skate.
Dude,
Stop.
look at my board. I grip my board with that same blade. And it does not look that
how
shitty.
he's doing it.
I don't know.
Can you focus on me for a minute?
Alright, sorry.
Less Kane, more me. There you go. Way to go. Okay, do you guys want to see the best 360 flip ever done?
We're getting kicked out.
Okay.
Can I get one more or not?
Look at the best 360 flip ever done. Enough of that drama. We don't care about content. We care about, look at this 360 flip. This is Jeff Rowley in 1326. Don't mind the pop shove it. Watch how he catches the tray flip. Oh.
Wow.
Watch this other angle. Watch the other angle. He catches it totally 90. Ah,
Dude.
So sick.
So, I got DM'd on Instagram the other day, and by this guy, Straupin, and he asked me if I wanted some bearings and if I wanted to ride for his brand. So, I guess I have a bearing sponsor now, which is really cool because I'm always needing bearings. For some reason, I am constantly blowing out bearings, and it's mad annoying.
Yeah, that's a sick ass opportunity.
Yeah, I'm stoked. I'm hyped.
I wish I had a bearing sponsor.
Dude, apparently he lives in Santa Monica, and he was like, yeah, I'll get you some bearings. I figured he's just gonna send them to me, you know? Gave him my address, and he drove to my house and dropped them off in my mailbox.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty
Probably
cool.
your favorite fucking rider.
I thought that was pretty cool that he did that. Some of you guys have probably seen it before, but it used to be like a really big repost account. And the same thing that happened to my Instagram like 2 weeks ago also happened to his repost account. So his also got taken down and he hasn't been able to get it back. I've seen that account several times, but I didn't know that they actually like had a product or even made bearings. It feels so nice having new bearings.
It doesn't sound janky no more.
No, I know.
You're chilling.
They're nice or what?
Look, he took one push, he's taking a whole lap.
It's pretty good.
Drake flip. The Drake flip.
Let's get that on.
Oh, what?
Station at morning, you leaving me here. Life is a question, the answer is near. The cycle's completing, it comes and it goes. The cycle is ending, let's see how this goes. Survive on this. You heard it all before.
Did that hit you?
Yeah.
neck right now, man.
And now a word from our sponsors.
So we still have a few shirts left in program of this shirt. I don't even remember what I called it, honestly. But yeah, we have a few left. There's one medium left. There's 2 double XL, and then there's 4 larges. 7 shirts left. That's pretty damn good for there only being a select amount available. But also too, okay, as you guys know, I don't ever make things twice, and I don't ever re-release anything. But at Common Thread the other day, I found some exchanges from people wanting to like swap out sizes. So there was like a box of stuff there of like maybe 10 items. 3 of the best sellers from that drop, there was 1 each that I'm gonna be leaving here in program. So if you missed out, there's gonna be 3 of these available. So we're gonna have 1 XL in this shirt. This was literally the best-selling shirt from that drop. That's gonna be here. It's gonna be 30 bucks. And then the embroidered black on black slammin' hoodie that we did. And then the long sleeve. They're all extra large too. It's a very popular size. So one of these, one of these, one of these. So those are gonna be available here along with the rest of these shirts. And these are also available online as well. I keep forgetting to mention that. They're available online, not on the Slammin' website, but on the program website. So that link is also gonna be in the description of this video. The 1 t-shirt, the 1 long sleeve, and the hoodie, these are also gonna be available online at program also. So if you wanted these and you didn't get a chance to get them, or you've been wanting me to make them again, but I'm never going to because I don't do that, you can get those on the program website as well. I've done so many takes of what I'm about to tell you right now because I don't like chopping up my footage because I feel like it looks tacky and it looks like shit. There's a part 2 to the spring, summer slammin' drop. Part 1 was the last drop that we dropped in March, which by the way, super successful, best drop yet. Thank you guys all so much for the support. But there is gonna be a part 2 to that drop in June. And I think this is how I'm gonna be organizing them from now on. So there's fall, winter, spring, and summer. Typically the bigger drops tend to be in fall and they tend to be in spring. That's just the pattern that's kind of happened ever since I've started the brand. So there's gonna be like 3 t-shirts, a hat, 1 accessory that will remain nameless, and then the fanny packs that I told you guys about that I was supposed to make for part 1. But also it kind of works out because I don't like putting out too many products at one time because for 1, I feel like it's overwhelming, and 2, it just takes away hype from other products. And I don't wanna do that. I kind of wanna release them in small doses. We're growing at like a very steady upward rate, and I'm really excited with, you know, because we just added Kane, we're filming the full length, planning for that to be done by fall, maybe next winter at the latest. I mean, if I can get it done earlier, I will. There's just a lot of exciting stuff coming with this brand. I mean, as you guys know, I haven't really touched base with you guys, so I'm gonna kind of just like let it all out. As you guys know, like I started working a job. I got a job back in January. So I've been working like a job for the last 3 or 4 months now. And the reason I got that job was so that I could not solely rely on YouTube revenue, and so that I could dump more capital into the brand. So I had more money to play with and to grow the brand. So I work like 3 12-hour shifts, and then I have 4 days off during the week. So I have those 4 days to edit and film videos, and it's like really forced me to prioritize my time so that I can, you know, start really working on the brand, because I mean, that's the main focus of this channel now. And I'm super stoked because this is kind of where I always wanted to get to. I don't really necessarily always want to make dumb fucking videos comparing stupid products that really don't fucking matter in the long run. Like, you know, I kind of want to just put all the focus on skating. So yeah, anyway, long rant short, part 2 is going to be dropping in June.